Hey, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and this is a quick tutorial on changing your estimate template. Our Repair Estimator allows you to load starter templates that you can use to quickly create estimates for your projects. But let's say that you accidentally selected the wrong template when you first created your estimate. At any point, if you need to change your estimate template, click the Change Template button at the top of the estimator. Now, one thing to note is if you want to change your template, you're going to lose all of your existing data and you'll need to start over from scratch. Once you click the Change Estimate Template button, you'll be given an opportunity to select your new template. Once you select a new template from the drop-down menu and click Save, your new template data will load to the estimator, and then you can start estimating your repair costs for your projects. If you have any questions about changing your estimate template, feel free to shoot us a message in chat or send us an email.